everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button, and don't forget to hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, you'll be subscribed to all our videos coming out. All right, we're coming off a Sapphire weekend, and we're gonna head into a little bit more food fight, so stay tuned for that. But we'll throw some oddballs in there, and that'll lead into Collector 10 weekend. So we got some Collector 10s that we're gonna do for this weekend. So check that out for sure, and leave us a comment, because when you do, you'll be entered into 2 drawings, one for the March mystery drawing and one for the flawless briefcase. Check out the video at the end to see what's in there. You have to look at the other videos to see all the other inserts that we do. So with every comment, you get entered to 2 drawings, and as always, we throw in some parallels into this flawless briefcase. We got some parallels here, and we got some sapphire. We got a sapphire card. We have other sapphire cards in this flawless case, so check out our other videos to see what's in there for sure. All right, let's get to this Collector 10. And don't forget to give us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. Give us a tweet at Hobby Breaks, and it is in the show notes at the bottom there. So check that out. I like opening these food fight tins. They're a lot of fun. And don't be afraid to, we have had some comments. Some guys are bringing their kids in to watch some of these, so feel free. We always try to keep it friends and family friendly, so trying to keep it on the PG, maybe PG-13-ish a little bit, so, and that's just because of the cards, but other than that, yeah, bring them on in. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, here's our first booger parallel. All right, pack number 2. Microwave. All right, an atom bomb. Sweet. Love the atom bomb. Green booger parallel. West Quick. It's always fun to get the atom bomb. I'll set him off to the side just because he's so cool. Him and his brother, Blended Billy. And we got a green parallel there. Let's see here. Oh, we got a green parallel there and a yellow parallel. Zap Zack. All right, on Blended Billy. Yeah, we got the brothers. Sweet. That's awesome. Check out that one of our collector tins. We got a Zap Zack or a Microwave. One of the other. We got an auto. So that was a really cool auto hit from that collector's tin. And there's our Atom Appetite digital card. And we got a green parallel. How you guys doing figuring out these digital packs and stuff? I hear they're pretty, it's kind of hard to figure that out. I might have to check it out. See if I can figure it out. All right, here's our green parallel. We got her as an auto too. There's our green parallel. And the collector tin is where you get the blue parallels from. go, Parallel. Here's our green one. Shrimpy shell. Alright, last pack. Come on, something good. Oh, we got something good. We got something good. Here we go, here we go. Last pack is gonna be an awesome. Alright. Okay. And our gold card is Blue Spew. Blue Spew is our gold, our Fool's Gold card. And he is 25 of 50. We got a Blue Spew gold, Fool's Gold card. So that's really cool. So we don't get the gold, Fool's Gold cards too often. So there's our Blue Spew coming out of a collector tin. So sweet hit on this tin. So love it. And keep us subscribed. Hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner, and we're gonna let you know what videos are coming out. We got some oddballs coming out this week. It's gonna be an oddball week, but we're gonna mix it in with some food fight and food fight collector tins coming up this weekend. Thanks for watching, everyone.